Welcome to Guide to Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable, how to turn on switch control on your MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go to the video. So switch control on a MacBook is an accessibility feature that allows users to control their computer using adaptive devices like switches or joysticks instead of a traditional mouse or keyboard. It's designed for individuals who have difficulty using standard input methods, enabling them to interact with their Mac by selecting item, entering text, and navigating the interface through these external devices. So in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to enable the switch control on your MacBook. It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your system preferences. After that, you can go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can just scroll down until you find on the motor section, there is an option switch control. You can just click on that. Here on the general, there is an option to enable the switch control. Switch control allows the computer to be controlled using one or more switches. This can be mouse, keyboard, gamepad, buttons, or dedicated devices. You can enable by clicking here. You can also change the appearance. You want to make it light or dark. You can also set up in here. You can hide the panel after an activity. You can allow platform switching to control your computer. And also in here, you can show current text in keyboard panel. The switches, you can input the switches in here. And here's for the navigation you can set up. So here's the switch control on your MacBook you have enabled. It's very simple, right? So now you can input the adaptive devices to your MacBook using this switch control. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on the switch control on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.